When you work with Python, you'll see that there are many different ways to assign values to variables. Observe the first line on screen here, x is equal to y equal to z equal to Python. Such a statement will be evaluated from right to left. So the rightmost value here, Python, will be assigned to the variable z. The value in variable z will be assigned to y. The value in variable y will be assigned to x. Till finally, if you print out the values of x, y, and z, you'll find that all of them have the string Python. This is a shortcut that you can use to assign multiple variables to the same value. We've already seen that you can concatenate strings using the plus arithmetic operator. B is equal to x plus y, so B is equal to Python Python, since x and y both contain the string Python. I'll now introduce a new category of operators in Python, comparison operators. Comparison operators can be used to compare two values. Result of a comparison is always a Boolean, true or false. The double equal to is the equality comparison operator. Then you have the less than, greater than, the less than equal to, and the greater than equal to. Let's take a look at a rather confusing assignment here in Python, which uses the equality comparison operator. Remember that when you see assignments like this, evaluate this from the right to the left. Observe the double equal to between y and z. This means that y is being checked to see whether it's equal to z. If the values in y and z are exactly the same, the result will be true, and true will be assigned to x. If they are different, the result will be false, and false will be assigned to x. Y is exactly equal to z, which is why x is true. Python has first compared the value of y with the value of z. Both contain the string Python. They are exactly the same, and the Boolean result, which is true, y is indeed equal to z, is assigned to the variable x. Here is another confusing assignment. A, B, C is equal to 5, 3.2, hello. Python will find the commas and assign values accordingly. 5 will be assigned to A, 3.2 will be assigned to B, and hello will be assigned to C. And this is exactly what you get when you print out the values of A, B, and C. Let's study variable assignments in a little more detail. Here we have two variables, color A and color B, assigned to red and blue respectively, and we print out the values of these variables. So red, blue is printed out to screen. In Python, it's possible to assign a value to a variable using the value in another variable. For example, color C is equal to color A will take the value held in color A and assign it to the color C variable. And if you print out these values, you'll see that color C contains the value red, the same as in color A. It's important here to note that color C and color A are both different containers containing the same value red. Let's see what the implications of that are. Let's say you assign color A to color B. Color A was initially red, color B was blue, and now we get the result. Color A is now blue, but color C continues to be red. Updating the value within the color A container did not affect the color C container. Color C contains the value red as it did before.